Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at angles in standard position. If you have a protractor, I highly recommend you go get it. You're going to need it for this lesson. So an angle theta is in standard position if the vertex is at the origin of the coordinate system, right? So that would be right there. And then the initial side coincides with the positive x-axis. So that's that right here. So you can see we have our angle and where we end on the terminal side like that. Okay, so example 1, sketch the angles in standard position, 45 degrees. All right, so you probably used the protractor before, but I'm just going to show you really quickly. You line up this on the initial side like that. You go to 45, put a little dot, and then you use your ruler to draw that line right there. And so this is 45 degrees sketched in standard position. Okay, negative 90. So that's right here, negative 90, like that. 115, like that. 200, so here we have to go 180 plus 20, and so this angle here is 20 degrees, and so there is our 200, like that. Okay, practice number 1. Sketch the angles in standard position, A to F. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. 30 degrees, like this. Negative 45, like this. C, 170. D, negative 100. E, 240. So we go 180 plus 60, so this angle here is 60, this whole thing is 240, there's our terminal side there. F, 440, so we're doing 360 plus 80, so there's our 360 plus 80, like that, and so this angle here is 80. And that's it, it's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.